Another day with iiautomods.
So, if you guys didn't know,
Pero may maingay na eh.
we had the new tires installed on Mr. Moss M2C because somebody knifed this thing, right? Somebody knifed this. Ito di know it was us. Special delivery on the Mercedes-Benz V-Class for Mr. Moss M2C. His parts are too long to fit inside. There we have the goodies, giving the M2 competition a new look. Here we have the M Performance rear diffuser. Here's your diffuser, bro. Got the 2x2 weave for the side skirts. So this goes around the whole side of the M2. Very nice pattern to see. It does not have a scratch. Does it pass your approval?
Yes, sir.
No scratches, huh? This is PPF. Yeah, this thing was PPF together with the front diffuser. So this thing won't have a hard time with the motorcycles on the streets. What else we have here? We have the front chin. This is the one that comes from BMW. It's got the M Performance badging right there, so you know it's authentic. So there you go. It matches the carbon weave of the RW carbon. So for those of you asking, we made sure that the weave pattern are all similar to each other. There, let's see how it goes later. What are your thoughts?
Okay lang.
Okay lang.
Real ba?
Drill some more. 10 holes on the side skirt. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All going in there. We had the M Performance ducktail installed on this M2 competition. Although it needs a little fixing.
Binangga mo, nagagas-gas talaga.
Meanwhile, Master right here practicing how to get in his new 720S.
Close the door, close the door.
I think you have to close the door. Got the soft close feature. Just finished installing the M Performance parts on this M2 competition. We just had the carbon fiber ducktail, carbon fiber rear diffuser. These are all OEM BMW original parts. We got the carbon fiber side skirts. This was from RW Carbon. We also got the carbon fiber front diffuser.
It makes the car look more aggressive. As you can see from the side, there's a bit of a wing. So on the other side. That's the overall look of the M2 competition.
We are still adding more parts to this car in the next coming weeks. So stay tuned.